Ready to test your knowledge about weatherproofing features in CCTV cameras? Here's a question for you. Which CCTV camera feature is most important for weatherproofing in outdoor installations? A. IP66/IP67 rated enclosures. B. Cloud connectivity. C. High frame rate. D. Wide-angle lenses. Do you have the answer? Let's see if you guessed correctly. Here's the answer you've been waiting for. Correct answer is A. IP66/IP67 rated enclosures. IP66/IP67 rated enclosures are critical for weatherproofing outdoor CCTV installations, providing protection against dust, rain, and extreme temperatures. This feature ensures that cameras can operate reliably and capture high-definition footage even in harsh conditions, such as heavy storms or snowfall. While frame rates influence motion capture and wide-angle lenses expand coverage, these factors do not directly contribute to a camera's ability to resist weather. Cloud connectivity may support remote access and storage but is not related to the physical protection of outdoor cameras. Therefore, the rating of the enclosure plays a vital role in maintaining functionality and reliability in outdoor surveillance applications.